My name is Brett Dickey. I'm the Vice President of Technical Services here at Empire. We're here at Empire Airlines in Hayden, Idaho. We've got basically two operations here. This is our headquarters for our airline operation, and then across the street we have Empire Aerospace, where we do our heavy maintenance on our aircraft. Yes, we've got a backup server on offsite for in case of a disaster, replication basically. That's really nice to know that we have that. A lot of our records are being digitized, and they're aircraft records, which are important that we have backed up and that we don't lose. So